An anonymous Bitcoin analyst going by the name Plan B made a bold prediction for the leading cryptocurrency on October 25, when Bitcoin was trading at just above $20,000. The value of the crypto asset had been falling for months, and the industry as a whole was still reeling from the Terra Luna hack and its subsequent ripple effects. The macro environment also added a great deal of unpredictability, particularly in light of the Fed's hawkish efforts to curb inflation. Despite this, Plan B continued to tweet, "Welcome to Market Empire, your go-to channel for all things related to finance, investing, and market trends." In this video, we have a special guest, Plan B, who is going to provide an update on the current state of the Bitcoin market. With his extensive experience and knowledge in the crypto space, Plan B has become a prominent figure in the world of Bitcoin and has helped many individuals understand the potential of this digital currency. So sit back, take notes, and let's hear from Plan B about the Bitcoin bull market. One day, Bitcoin is suddenly trading at $21,000 with no apparent catalyst. In the following week, Bitcoin will be worth $24,300. Some investors may see this as a bull trap, while others may see that the market has ended its bear phase and begun its next bull run. The unfortunate FTX collapse that knocked a few $1,000s off Bitcoin's price and threatened the industry's continued existence, especially in the United States, occurred before Plan B's tweet. The record low price of Bitcoin was $15,500, setting a new all-time low. Plan B's forecasts look more and more implausible with each passing day after a few weeks have passed since the prediction and the subsequent regulatory crackdown on the industry. For the first time since June of 2022, we are within about $30,000 of Bitcoin. CoinMarketCap reports that the leading cryptocurrency has gained over 80% so far this year and around 6% in the past week. The next few days will be crucial for the leading cryptocurrency, but according to Plan B, we are now at the start of the next Bitcoin bull market. This video compiles a series of tweets by the anonymous analyst stating the same thing. Plan B, in an earlier tweet, defends the reliability of his widely cited Bitcoin stock-to-flow model. The model serves as a Bitcoin price forecasting tool by making assumptions about the market supply of Bitcoin and the annual mining output, calculating scarcity and, by extension, the asset's value over time. The tool takes into account both the total number of Bitcoin in circulation and the rate of their production. The model projects that Bitcoin's price will continue to rise in 2021 as its scarcity increases, due to its limited cap supply. Using his now debunked 4 model, Plan B made some impressive price forecasts. However, the stock-to-flow model was among those called into question after Bitcoin failed to meet Plan B's 98 November predictions. The analyst has defended the model over the past year by claiming that Bitcoin's price has fluctuated within a 1 or 2 standard deviation band around the model's 100,000 target. Plan B says that stock-to-flow is still going strong in one of his recent tweets. Bitcoin stock is the text of the tweet. The flow model, first published in 2014, is very much still in use today. Stock-to-flow is a measurement of permanent scarcity and fixed issuance. Limit on 21 million units of supply. It foresaw a Bitcoin increase after the 2020 halving, which came true. Another surge is expected by stock to flow around the halving in 2024. The model is not invalid or broken, as Plan B explains to his 1.8 million Twitter followers in another tweet. Stock to flow is incorrect, as the tweet puts it. If you consider the Bitcoin price increases that followed the 2012, 2016, and 2020 halvings to be random and unrelated to the halvings, then your argument is invalid or broken. Perhaps, but I tend to disagree. I believe that the 21 million cap supply plan for your housing cycle is crucial to the value of Bitcoin. Perhaps in the year 2024. To determine Bitcoin's value, the stock-to-flow model takes into account the cryptocurrency's stock, available supply, and yearly production flow. As the stock-to-flow model emphasizes the importance of cash flow to asset value, Bitcoin's 4-year housing cycle is crucial to the model. His tweet is accompanied by a model chart depicting Bitcoin's performance across all 3 halving events, as indicated by the 3 arrows. In addition, Plan B defends the model and responds to criticisms in the comments section under several of his tweets. Plan B clarifies that it has 3 data points, 2012, 2016, and 2020, in response to a Twitter user's observation that stock-to-flows only consider a single data point, ignoring business cycles, hype cycles, and other factors that could affect Bitcoin's price. We have unofficially housed 8 people since 2012, when the flow ratio increased from 4. The 1-to-2 and 2-to-4 ratios of flow increased abruptly. Here's an engaging back and forth between Plan B and a Twitter user who raised the valid concern that stock-to-flow is too new to be relied upon. The 2019 release of stock-to-flow is announced in a tweet. This means that historical data is used to fit the model up until 2019. Consequently, the price chart between 2020 and 2019 is not nearly long enough to provide a meaningful comparison to stock-to-flow. Looking at 2017's price action, we can't say it follows the model days, to which Plan B gives the right answer. But the proof of the pudding will be in the bull market of 2020 to 2021. The current Bitcoin price prediction from Plan B is between $100,000 and $1 million. After 2024, he is also convinced that we are in an early, bold Bitcoin market, a belief he has expressed in a number of tweets. A recent tweet of his exemplifies these, light the first, or blue, phase of a bull market. Now that we've arrived, green is in the late stages of the bull bears are classified as early, yellow, or late, red, in their development. Do you agree with Plan B that the next Bitcoin bull cycle has just begun? Share your thoughts with us in the remarks section. Meanwhile, a recent poll by Plan B shows that a sizable percentage of Twitter users agree that this is the case. In order to conduct the poll, Plan B posted tweets with the years 2012, 2016, and 2020. Each halving of the Bitcoin supply was followed by a bull market in 2013, 2017, and 2021. Was that a fortuitous association, a spurious correlation, or a genuine pattern? And do you anticipate the Bitcoin bull market to resume after the year 2024? With the 4 choices of spurious with 2024 having bull, real pattern with 2024 having bull, real pattern with no having bull in 2024, and spurious within a having bull in 2024, over 13,000 Twitter users participated in the poll. 68% of voters selected the third option, which holds that the pattern of bull markets following halving events will be repeated in 2024. Only 18.1% were convinced it was real, but they still expect a bull market in 2024, and 10% saw a pattern in the 3 halving events but don't think it will be repeated in 2024. Finally, 6% of respondents disagreed, saying they didn't anticipate a bull market in 2024. Feel free to disagree with us, but we think it's highly improbable that the two are unrelated, especially since the housing market and Bitcoin's price both seem to have increased in tandem with these events. Bitcoin, however, is maturing as predicted by many industry experts. Therefore, future balances might not be as skyrocketing as previous ones, at least not until the fiat Ponzi scheme implodes and the leading crypto asset is widely adopted. Tell me what you thought about today's video. The comment section awaits your thoughts on the topic at hand, so feel free to share your thoughts and, most importantly, your price predictions for Bitcoin and other leading crypto assets. Thank you for watching Market Empire. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the current state of the Bitcoin market. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about finance and investing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And as always, stay smart and stay ahead of the game.